So this, we have the Brilliant Wonders LED Waterfall 2. It's a patented design, patent pending as well. We have the exclusive sawtooth texture on the water, which you can see helps to bring the light all the way through the water feature and into the pool surface. This will sync with all major OEM lighting as well as the CMP lights using the SmartSync adapter box. This is the brains of the product, whereas in the other products it's built in. We have to have an external brain for this waterfall. It's fully customizable, and you can custom cut the front edge to match the curvature of your pool, concave or convex. The side channels can be customized with color covers, or you can fill it with matching grout or stone, plaster, whichever you're using on your wall. What's unique about this product is it's accessible to the electronics even after it's been cut in the field. You can pull the service door out. There's a quick disconnect where you can pull out the LED lighting, replace it as needed. You don't have to chip away any of the wall or anything like that. It's available in sizes up to 3 feet, with larger sizes coming soon.